So what's the trade first up, right? When yesterday was flat, Bank Nifty was absolutely flat. So another quiet day today. And how would you want to go in? Light?
Morning, Prashant. I think it will be another quiet day for two reasons. While we have the expiry today, so that always comes into play towards the last 1 hour. But barring that, I think the rest of the markets can be slightly quiet and consolidated because a lot of hourly indicators are now turning flat and sideways. So in that sense, I think the market could just consolidate. The Bank Nifty, if it starts getting past 52, 350 yesterday, then we might see some action. Otherwise, it will be quiet.
Okay. Sudarshan, hi, good morning. How are you reading the picture and any trades ahead of the big outcome?
Yeah, good morning. See, the picture is very simple. The market is consolidating. We are in a strong uptrend. Last week, we saw what happens once the consolidation ends. We saw a stupendous move on the upside. I don't mean that this is going to happen again, but that is the most likely scenario. Till the markets don't give signs of reversal, consolidation should be assumed to be just part of the process by which they will take another step up. Now, the big news is unknown. So I cannot anticipate what the markets will do here in the US and India, but I would still be a buyer. So the trade is to buy call options and carry them overnight. The worst that will happen is that the call options will expire worthless. And that's the risk. That's always a trading risk. And today, assuming the markets are quiet and they go into a small dip or even without a dip, if they consolidate, go and buy.
Okay, all right. So stay long. That's the advice. Let's come to stocks as well, gentlemen. Mitesh, which are the individual names you'll go with today?
Yeah. So I have buy on Escort. After a good correction and underperforming the rest of the auto pack, Escort is now showing first sign of reversal. Keep a stop at 38.30. Look for targets of 4,000. Havels is a buy with a stop at 1984 for targets of 2050. Also buy on Hero Motors, which is seeing good continuation. So I would recommend a slightly deeper stop at 5,900 and a position target of 6,100, and a buy on Bosch with a stop at 34,100 for targets of 36,000.
All right, got that, Mitesh. Thanks for the list. Darshan, what about your stock trades today?
Well, a lot of mid-cap buying opportunities. Exide is a buy to stop under 475. Siemens, which is a buy on dips, and it's an excellent positional trade too. We want a dip, and this stock is giving us a dip. Buy with a stop under 6,700. Motherson is the buy to stop under 190, and Mahanagar Gas, another intraday and swing trade, is a buying opportunity with a stop under 1860. So it's an all buy list.
All right, got that, gentlemen. Thanks very much. We'll come back to you with some more questions and more ideas a little later. Right now, take a quick break. I'm back on the other side. We'll of course have the pre-opening rates, and also we put the spotlight on the real estate sector. Numbers continue to look fairly good, whether it's demand or new house registrations. Parvez Akhtar Kazi, ED at Nuvama, will join in with some thoughts and how to play the space.
So alluding to via the options market over the next 24, 48 hours or so because of the Fed decision and maybe the volatility around it. How would you trade it?
Good morning, Prashant. Yeah, so volatility is likely to be there, but looking at the data setup, it's confidently holding above 25,300 foot-based concentration. We've seen a dip in last 2-3 trading session, but again and again, Nifty has taken the support from that foot-based concentration. So I think 25,300 may act as a good support for next couple of days. If it's hold, I think there is a possibility of short covering action to trigger in the market. As Nifty has briefly crossed this 25,400 level, but still short covering is still absent. But I think if we continue to trade above 25,400, I think there would be some short covering action we can see in the market ahead of this event. And if that happens, possibly Nifty may scale up to the level of 25,500, 550 zone. That's the major call concentration area for this weekly option expiry. To play this up move, I think one should focus on 25,400 call option, which was closed at around 107. So I think 107 to 100 is the range where one can buy with stop loss of 68, and possible target for this call option we could see towards 165 to 170 next 1 or 2 trading session. So I think that call option is looking attractive to play this up move of market. Bank Nifty is comfortably holding above 52,000 level. So put-based concentration is still intact for the Bank Nifty, and some of the private banks are also participating in this rally. So we believe that Bank Nifty continues to hold above 52,000. I think possible really can extend to 52,600 to 52,700 kind of zone. So at this juncture, our stop losses are placed at 51,800 to hold long position in Bank Nifty also. On the stocks front, Bharti Airtel is looking promising. The way stock is moving in higher top, higher bottom formation, I think Bharti Airtel can be looked at to buy for upside target of 1730 to 1740. Stop loss can be placed at 1630. Second stock is from banking sector, that is ICICI Bank. Almost stock is now trading near to its all-time high trajectory. We believe that upward momentum may continue further. 1300 to 1320 would be the next target. Your stop loss should be placed at 1240. And the third stock is L&T. A very strong buying action in last trading session. We believe that L&T may extend its gain. 3760 is the next target. Keep your stop loss at 3645.
All right, take that point. So those are the F&O trades, possibility of an up move in the next couple of trading sessions. He suggests one goes